Yes, welcome to Global News Zimbabwe with your boy DJ Drunk. Ndina Mofela ve Scotland. Ndambota chit chat now about the game ratambwa pano pa Ngoni Stadium right here in Norton. Ndambotara na Mofela muri say.
I'm very good man.
We are number one fan weku Scotland.
That's it.
Tatiti mbotara ne mini game ratambwa nasi. Ameno tomorrow no say mimi.
You know, actually my prediction was just predicting that May we're going to collect positive results. But unfortunately
a positive result like a win.
But now Bora didn't 3 results, win, draw and they lose.
Yeah.
Automatically Bora goes with the luck. So a better team won today. Yo, the team was alright, but only we missed the plot in the first half. That's when we should have killed the game. But on the first half, we won about 2 shots on goal, and those 2 shots on goal were very crucial for us to grab a win. And also we were very slow in our first half. Then the second half, it dampened our mood. So we was a picker. And the formation was also to jump and it was something that yes.
But still you have your team at heart. Kuruza Mungara team Yaruza is still rallying behind Wakomana. They are playing good football. It's unfortunate to lose a better team, like you said, the better team won today.
Yeah, automatically when I commit myself to something, like now I'm committed to Scotland, yes. I give myself 110% to Scotland. Whatever I'm doing. You can see even the branding that I go with, that costs a fortune. So it shows that I've got so much faith in it. And also Nagara pass with the president, the director of the club, Honorable Scott Sakupanya, Magandu, that the vision that he's got with this team. It's not a team that's go by what says Orufungo, team anytime soon. It's a team that is going to challenge in the African safari.
Yes. I thank you very much for coming to Global News Zimbabwe. Excitement of course football is a game of 3 results, like you said, win, draw or lose. Thank you very much for coming to Norton, Ngoni Stadium, which is to support the team. Thank you very much.
And I like the environment from the Ngoni Stadium. The football is instant free. We don't tolerate hooliganism. We don't tolerate those who throw missiles in the stadium. But it was a very good. Thank you, thank you, Mwos, for putting such a noble idea to the system in the football. As someone who is a CAF certified officer, and what you have been doing, kudos to the security, kudos to who did the arrangement for the tickets.
And the community
for heading the call to buy the advanced tickets. Thank you so much. Keep on watching the Global Network TV and keep on liking my Facebook page. Mofela, post more on the page.
Thank you very much, Mofela, for coming on Global News Zimbabwe.
Thank you so much.
This show was brought to you by Gonzo Hardware. Tatina Mofela share our ideas nekufunga kwao nekuona kwao kwaita game runners. Tiri pano pa Global News Zimbabwe with your boy DJ Doings.